Welcome to the second installment of my spoken English course. This course is a continuation of the first one, which heavily focused on the fundamentals when it comes to learning strategies, tools, and of course, the basics in pronunciation and grammar rules. In this new course, we're building on that foundation by diving into the actual language materials that I emphasize in both my course and my ebook before, so you're probably already pretty familiar with the concept. And I've designed these language materials with one goal and one goal in mind, which is to help you get familiar and hopefully master the most common 3,000 words organically and naturally. In total, there's 5 modules. Module 0 is a quick review and relearning of the key concepts from my first course, namely revisiting the grammar, pronunciation, and structural basics. Module 1 features 10 lessons on daily conversations. These lessons will help you ease into using the most common 1,000 to 2,000 words in natural and confident ways. And these are slightly easier than Module 2, which contains 24 lessons centered on everyday life in America, whether you're studying abroad or living abroad, or just want to immerse yourself in that environment. This module covers not only vocabulary in the most common 2,000 to 3,000 range, but also cultural insights that come with living in America or a brand new country. And bonus module 1 is a breakdown of 140 super useful high frequency words. So these are creme de la creme. These are more important than all the other 2,000, 3,000 words in the most common 3,000 range. Bonus module 2 includes 900 of the most common sentences that you'll hear in everyday life. It's kind of like 英语900句, but it's my rendition of it. It's set in 2025, so these are not outdated. These are not pure textbook English. And as far as the bonus modules go, of course, you can watch the video lessons, but additionally, you can also choose to listen to the audios while you sleep. There's 2 single files, each containing hours of just audio, so you can listen to them when you're commuting. You can listen to them even when you go to sleep, although I don't recommend it because it's not really good for your sleep. But sometimes you only have downtime to study. You don't necessarily always have time to sit down and watch something intently. So in your downtime, let's say you're doing chores, you can choose to passively consume these easy to digest content. And you can find these files either in your group chat or in the designated cloud drive link that also comes with this course. Course comes with its homework, its course curriculum, and a digital textbook. So if you're interested, we have a summer special going on right now that is an absolute deal of the deal. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comments, or you can send me a DM and I'll send the information right back to you. See you on the other side. Bye.